Hey everyone, in today's video we'll learn how to create YouTube intro videos for your channel which you can incorporate in any video of yours. So if you have seen any video on my channel, I am Saave, which is based on travel, has an intro video which is a kind of roll-in for every video. We also do check out the YouTube Launch Playbook, which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step by step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description. See this. This is the intro video which plays at for every video of mine on this channel before the actual video starts in. So to create this, there are multiple ways. So first, I have created this one via Clipchamp, wherein there are video templates free of cost if you have got the paid version. Or the other way is you can simply go to Canva and simply intro video. Okay, once you see that, you can click on YouTube intro. Now you will get hundreds of templates over here. You can see the hundreds of templates, and a lot of them are free. The one with this logo are under Canva Business, which is subscription of Canva. But other than that, all of these are free, and you can use any one of these. You just simply click on it, apply all three pages. So this is welcome to my channel. So you can see this is another one, right? So there are a lot of. So I will just showcase one wherein you can create a sample intro video for you. So I have selected this. Now if you play this, you can see this is kind of a, so you can add any audio from over here which selects you, right? So over here, what I will primarily change is I will change this. I will edit it. Okay. So I have just clicked on delete button and now I will select uploads. Here you can drag any. So I have selected my channel logo, right? I will just go and I will drag this. So my channel logo is updated. Click on this and mention YouTube with Saave. As simple as that. If you want to change anything else, you can change the elements also. You can change the colors also. So if you want the color scheme is different, you can change it as per your wish, and it will be done in a instant way, right? So that's the way. Once you are done with this, you can maybe keep a name and click on download, and that's it. Your intro video is ready, which you can add in your editorial editing tool and export it and directly upload on YouTube. If you like this video, do like and subscribe to our channel YouTube with Saave.